Hi everybody, welcome. It's Caitlin again. Today we want to introduce you our control valve. Let's see it together. Firstly, you can see the VCI anti-rust bag, and here this is the label about the product code F00RJ00375. And actually for the logo label packages, we support a customized service. Inside is this kind of plastic bottles can be avoid some damages during the transportation. And we use this kind of oil paper to wrap it up. That's the valve assembly in the inside. Actually, as you can see, this is the whole one, right? Actually, we also sell the separated one, this kind of valve cap. If you look carefully, you'll find the coating figures here, and this is the valve rod. Here, Caitlin's 3 tips want to share with you. The first tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The second tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly of the inject body. The third tip is if you want to clean it with the oil. At last, I want to share with the warranty time. That's the 6 months. Yeah, so much for that. And at last, remember, feel free to contact us and follow us at our channel. Let's see you next time. Bye.